through hell, but we made it through. I wanna see what this paper do. Ain't got no faith, don't put no trust in you. The more you rise, they gon' hate on you.
My town be on fire though. They want you to wear that blindfold. Bitches, I don't waste no time on no days off. Fuck them all, ask yourself why I don't fuck with y'all. Stand tall on my own, throw these things and I bust too. Came from where you run from, the type of shit we run to. Drink some, smoke a blunt too. Bust moves, ever since I could remember had dreams like this. Late night I'm up, think about the fear. Think about my bros, think about this life of sin. Time and time again, they could give a fuck about us, but wanna play that part. In my hood, a killer sport. Follow through, you fall out and push abort. Finish what I start, murder raise them. They mad, they can't fade them. Your next move could prove fatal. Say you want, but with your angle. Everywhere you go, you hear J-Lo. V-I-S-A-L-I-A. Yeah, no, you know, you know. V-I-S-A-L-I-A. You know, you know, you know.
We been through hell, but we made it through. I wanna see what this paper do. Ain't got no faith, don't put no trust in you. The more you rise, they gon' hate on you. We been through hell, but we made it through. I wanna see what this paper do. Ain't got no faith, don't put no trust in you. The more you rise, they gon' hate on you.
Man, I got your pussy high. Love the way your pussy vibe. Told me you get around a lot. Stop crying, fool. Got your tail tucked. In the north of Town is where they found us. Probably doing the most. Shaking the piers, getting this money on. Through Cypher's love, homie. Like, yeah, I know. You my bro, I love you. Let me tell you what my pops told me. Stand on your own too. Influence the streets, don't let it conform you. This TC gang got it shining. Your best like, ooh. Know I gotta keep the thing. The spectators watching, plotting, soon to be forgotten. The hood got them spoiled rotten. Keep your mouth shut, fool, if you ain't poppin'.
Yeah, but we made it through. I wanna see what this paper do. Ain't got no faith, don't put no trust in you. The more you rise, they gon' hate on you. We been through hell, but we made it through. I wanna see what this paper do. Ain't got no faith, don't put no trust in you. The more you rise, they gon' hate on you.
Tell me why they hate on me. Quit assuming cause you ain't me. Yeah, I've been thinking lately it's frustrating. Free my realers behind the walls. Put money on the phone so my loved ones could call. Came from the same struggle so we stand tall. Through the pain and the rain. Charging shit to the game. Tell you miss me with the fame. Hit me with some dollars so I could bless the gang. Do things we ain't never done. Seen places we ain't never seen. You my legacy, unity. A beautiful sound to my ear drums. I said mines and hope you feel the love. Came far to be faking. I know this fast life, so I'm patiently waiting. Got a bride that I care for. I got some kids that I'm there for. I'm always careful, always grateful. My circle here, so they go where I go. When I was down low, you was there for me. Turn my back, hell no. Soldier minded, conduct yourself in that fashion. No matter what happens, I salute you off in the clouds laughing.
Audience all week, puffin' on weed. Got your bitch fucking on me. Soldier don't live long, stack G's. All I love, all I need. Audience all week. Got that fifth puffin' on weed. Got your bitch fucking on me. Audience all week. Got that fifth puffin' on weed. Got your bitch fucking on me.
Got your bitch fucking on
me.
me.
Long stack G's. That's all I love, all I need.
That's all I love.
All I love, all I need.
That's all I need.
Audience all week.
Audience all
got that
week.
fifth puffin' on weed.
Stick to the game, live for the day. Close to the thing, real boss get paid. 40 ways I can see through a bitch. Fly fit and keys to the whip. Off the hand I sip. I cream my lips and get more. Then I'm at the door.
good with it, fam? Don't forget, make sure you subscribe, follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and check out our 10K giveaway. Make sure you go hit that shit, put your number in, because you do not want to miss out. You want to get some good shit. Peace and love, Young Life, baby.
Plan in motion, the chosen, no sleep or rest. I play the hand, I go all in till I'm ballin'. For my lokes in the pen and my dead homies, death around the corner, can't slip. Get the wig on flip if a sucker wanna set trip. Do the hit, then smoke and set. 4 in the morning, what head mistress getting dormant. You know I be on my shit, live life to the fullest. Hint that keep striving for life, stay on my job, yeah. For the boys it's TC, no days on alert, so we be contemplating deeper. Stay close to Reaper, blow big chiefer. From the slums like a leafers, just know I keep mine and never resign. Never the mine, my business, local street, oh, hit, chick, ching, click, yeah, biatch.
Audience always got that fit puffin' on me. Got your bitch fucking on me. I'm live long, stack G's. That's all I love, all I need. Audience always got that fit puffin' on me. Got your bitch fucking on me. Audience always got that fit puffin' on me. Got your bitch fucking on me. I'm live long, stack G's. That's all I love, all I need. All I love, all I need. Audience always got that fit puffin' on me.
Been a hustler since 9-8, living life my way with the hood bitch looking hella Bombay. Light skin Beyonce, and she might be your fiance, but the boy be smooth, suave, down wine, get spine, make a bitch run. It ain't no fun if the homies can't have none. Chop in the kitchen, J-Style and